So in this video, we're going to talk about your strategy for affiliate marketing. What are you doing specifically so that you can start making those few $1,000 or few $100 every day, like even $100 every day or $50 a day for a start will be a good thing to do. I remember my first sale that I made, or my first check, was for $11 from Amazon, and that was really, awakening. It was really felt good. Why? Because it means that I could make more money, and that's true. So if you start making some money, then it gives you the motivation and also shows you that you can really do this for real. Because the problem is doing something half-hearted, like doing something when you don't believe in. If you don't believe in affiliate marketing, then you shouldn't do it. But if you're doing it, then you should put all your heart in it so that you can be able to do it 100% and do all you can so that you can get the results and the best results you can. So for me, it has been Amazon. The thing is, you wanna have a strategy. There are many affiliate marketing programs out there, but for me, even though Amazon slashed their commissions, they pay less commissions now. They slashed most things from 8% to 4%, but still it is a stepping stone. It can help you start making $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, and from there, before you know it, you'll break away from everything else and concentrate fully on affiliate marketing and on high ticket products. You can do ClickBank. Although ClickBank is saturated, but they saturated that quickly because when they get high converting products, people saturated that quickly. And also many other things. You can do other things, software products and all that. But to start for me, I advise you do Amazon affiliate program. So you go to YouTube, you create a review of the product and you put out links. Make sure you put out links as many as possible. The idea is to put out links as many as possible so that your chances of getting that traction, selling those products are greatly increased. So if you can put like 10 links, 10 product reviews in a week, or 20 product reviews in a week, or you say I want to put out 3 product links every single day, so that means 3 reviews. That's a lot of work. You have to do work. So you do that 3 times 5 or times 6 days, that will be 18 or 15 links in a week. In a month, that we're looking at 3 times 24 days, that will be over 70, almost 70 links in a month. But you can do more than that. So the idea is to put as many links as possible, because you don't know. And when you do good on-page SEO, search engine optimization, that means that those keywords that people are searching for on YouTube, and you can go on YouTube and try and see what exactly they're using, they are searching. And it's obvious, like when you use a software, like for instance, I use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an extension that will help you show you the exact keywords people are searching, and also the how much or how many people are searching for that in a particular keyword. And I'll put a link in the description on how to get for you TubeBuddy, so that you can get it for yourself. It's like $9 a month, but if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, then you have 50% off. So that is $4.50 per month, and you can do a whole keyword and a whole search for keywords for maybe for 1,000 keywords. And then if you think that is too much to pay, you can just close the account or terminate your account as soon as possible, as soon as you get those like 1,000 keywords. But affiliate marketing is work. It's not like you're gonna get money for free. It's work, and it needs determination and hard work. So guys, so do good on-page SEO in YouTube for that product. Review the product 1 to 2 minutes and put out the links. That's the idea. Put out the links as many as possible. So with those few remarks, guys, I hope you go out and do Amazon affiliate for a start, because the idea is many people trust Amazon. Amazon is a brand trusted by many people, because the Amazon Prime members in the US as of 2019 December are making this video. I believe there should be research done recently, making this video in September of 2020. 2019 December, the Amazon Prime members were 100 million and in the US, and worldwide was 150. It was 150 million. That means next the 50 more million in other parts of the world. 150 million customers, and these people spend at least $1,400, at least in the US, $1,400 every year. A regular customer in Amazon spends $600, but with Amazon Prime members it shoots up to $1,400. These people are ready to buy, guys. They're ready to buy, and they're looking for these products. Whatever they're looking to buy. So if you have the product with a good on-page SEO on YouTube, they go to YouTube. They go to Google. Your YouTube video can pop up on Google, because Google is owned by YouTube is owned by Google, and it will always, for instance, let me show you this. So when we go here, google.com, and maybe let's say such like a word like this, web postings list. So if you do that, look at this. This is on YouTube, Top Web Posting Companies 2020, and this is a YouTube video. So this person has done a good on-page SEO. So they're saying Top Web Posting Companies 2020, and so your product, if you do good on-page SEO, that means what people are searching for. Your link can pop up on YouTube, and of course if they are on YouTube, they are searching for the product. So if you go to YouTube, look at this, guys. This is so crazy. So, and then let's just say, so Top Web Hosting Companies 2020. Look, so these guys are doing, look at this. These guys are doing, look, the 5 best. These are affiliate links. These are affiliate links. So that's an example, but not exactly for Amazon. But this is what people do. They do good on-page SEO so that the product, their page can come out as soon as you on top of the page. Their links can come back on top of the page. See? So these guys are promoting a web hosting, and here is that one that we just saw is right here. So guys, you can always make money with affiliate marketing, but to be more specific, Amazon to start, because the people trust Amazon as a brand. So with those few words, I'm telling you that go put out as many links as possible. Start today, put out at least 3, 4, 5 links a day, and that's work. And if you want to do this full time, it has to start with work. You do work right now, and maybe in future you'll not have to do work. So that's what we call passive income, because you put in the work right now, but in future, in 5 months, in 6 months, in 9 months, you might not need to work, because those things that you did prior to that time are paying off. You're getting the money, you're getting those links clicked, and people are buying through your links. So with those few words, if you like this video, if you found value, please click like and also subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified